Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 RAM ProMaster 2500. Here's a ProMaster 2500 that offers enhanced towing and payload capacities, a streamlined, comfortable cabin appointed with an impressive suite of amenities, convenient storage solutions, and great visibility to help you achieve all your business goals. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, keyless start, V6 cylinder engine, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection. Feel the satisfaction of taking your business to the next level with this highly capable ProMaster 2500. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.